Today my wonderful student came to learn their English vocabulary on how to cook some Cameroon food, some Cameroon dishes. Actually, we have so many food, but we just have to choose 4 of them. So today we are going to do spaghetti, white beans, and a little bit of fried vegetable. But before we start, they are one of my best students. Actually, there are 3 of them. We have Fritz, he is not here, he traveled to Bangkok. We have Natasha, very good in English. And we also have Olivia, very good in English. Actually, these are their English names. They have their names in English and in Thai. So, this is Natasha. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Natasha. My Thai name is Fern.
Okay, Fern, nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Floreva's Kitchen. Thank you. Okay, Olivia.
My name is Olivia. My nickname in Thai is Music.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah. So just keep watching as we move on with our ingredients. Ingredient in Thai, what do you say?
ส่วนผสม
Som pasom, pasa Thai and som pasom. So today we are going to make a special spaghetti, how we do in my country, okay? So we start, but we have to beat the egg. You have to put this first, the spaghetti in here. So pour the spaghetti. Try to scatter in. The egg, please. Crack the egg and eat. Crack inside. So in this menu, actually we're going to have to do with the main ingredient, which is spaghetti. And in here we're going to put 2 eggs, a little bit of fried fish, fried tomatoes, small spring onions, and parsley. A little bit chop of parsley with sliced onions and some rodi. In Thailand we say rodi, but in English we say seasoning. Oh, yes. 1 spoon tomato. Little bit of white pepper. Okay. A little bit of fish. Continue, we're going to put a little bit of beef inside. A little bit of a real beef, okay? Mix together. So it's time to cook now, to fry. Next, wait. Now the oil is hot, so Chef Natasha is going to fry it. So she's going to do it like this. Pour in everything, just put it. Yes. Good. I can help you. You want chili? It's optional. You can put chili. Alright. Okay. Okay. So from in time to time, you can mix together. See, it comes out well. You can mix together, or we can mix together. You can mix everything. Yeah. Mix everything. Yes. Yes. Actually, sometimes I do a different style because yes, I do. So we wait for about 2 minutes for it to get ready, and it's set. Well, Natasha, you will take the plate. If you want dry, you can take 1 minute again. But if you don't want dry, you can leave it. You want dry? And for layer, okay. Come to the end of this fried spaghetti. There are actually many ways we can fry spaghetti, many kinds of ways. So but this is just one of them. Thank you for watching, and we continue to the next food. Okay, we're going to cook this our vegetable. Actually, this is Chinese curry, but in Thai we say pakana. In Thai language we call it pakana. In English we call it Chinese curry. It's a very delicious vegetable. Here we're going to fry this vegetable. We're going to mix it with tomato, onions, a little bit of spices, green spices, a little bit of onion, meat, fried fish, and not forgetting, very important, some calamari, our blended shrimps or crayfish. Okay, so let's get started. Our chef Olivia will handle this dish for us, and we also have to put the crayfish seasoning, very important. Okay, let's get started. We start with this first, the tomato. Let's do it. And we need our vegetable oil. Yeah, we're going to start with the vegetable oil. Put a little bit of vegetable oil. You can come. Yes, sir. Mama. Sorry. Oil. Sorry. Okay. ได้
ไม่ใช่ it's not little
ไม่เป็นไรเพราะว่าvegetable เยอะ Okay, when you let it to hot 1 minute onion think the onion is enough. Okay, little bit of onion you mix together and tomato, put in our tomato, enough, mix together. Next, we bring in the beef. In here we have the beef and the cow skin. Take a little bit. Okay, and cow skin. Okay. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the food is ready because everything cooked already. 1 spoon of ginger. And onion, 2 spoons of this. They don't eat chili, so I don't put chili. So a little bit of our fish. Fish is finished. A little bit of our fish. So, and the vegetable. Oh yes, everything. Okay, here you do like this. You have to scatter like this. Mix together. Okay, I can help you. Mix together. Crayfish. Okay. Okay. เสร็จแล้ว See how greeny the vegetable is? สีเขียวมาก มีวิตามินอันดีมากเพราะว่าไม่มีเคมีคอลในนี่เสร็จแล้ว โอเค แล้ว Okay. This is how we cook our fried pakana in Cameroon. Our vegetable. You can eat with banana. You can eat with rice. You can eat with cow meal, sticky rice. Die. You can eat with fried fish. You can eat with potatoes. Up to you. So we've come to the end of this. Thank you. Next we having one of the snacks. Snacks แปลว่าอะไรภาษาไทย Snack ภาษาไทย Yes, ขนมเบ็ดใส่ขนม we're going to put our egg, breadcrumbs. We have shredded fish. You can use meat, beef ได้ but วันนี้ที่จะใช้ I use the blended fish and beat eggs and the healthy flour. This is the wheat flour. It's very healthy for the body. No cholesterol. So it's very good for the health. So we are going to start with, are you ready? With my team. So we start by taking the fish, a handful like this. อันนี้ example ตัวอย่างทำแบบนี้แล้วก็ใส่ egg like this, close together. Put in the egg and put in the flour. Put in the egg put in the breadcrumbs. So we have to put 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out. Yes, 6, 7, 8. So size 8 layer. Everything is equal. Put in this first. Yes. Little. In here. อันนี้สองหน่อยอันนี้สุดท้ายค่ะ Yes. 2. When we like this at home. Niết mời cả đến niết. Coriander seed for chicken spice. Natasha, Olivia, you put in the beans. Side, một cup. Put in the beans. Mix. Yes. So this is our fried beans. We're going to add a little bit of water. You eat with rice. 1 spoon of garlic and 1 spoon of ginger. Okay. If you want to add more vegetable oil, you can add, but for me it's okay like this. Add a little loading. Yes. Our fried beans is ready, so we're going to put in the pan. The fried white beans. You can eat this delicious meal with rice. You can eat with fried banana, and you can eat with potatoes. Finally, tired? Oh, fighting. Finally, we have come to the end of our cooking session with my wonderful, beautiful, lovely students. I'm so happy to cook with them today. I'm super excited to cook with you. So you can see about our African food, Cameroon food. We have so many, like I said. So I'm so happy you cook with me today. And I hope you taste. Okay, you can eat too. Are you ready to eat? Are you ready to try this food? Because you cook by yourself. So can you tell me the name of the food? One more time. Fried banana.
Fried banana.
Yes. What's this?
Sweet potato.
Yes. Boiled sweet potato. We can eat with the vegetable. We can eat with the beans. What's this? Yeah, the fried spaghetti. And we have, what's this? Scotch egg. Yes, with our scotch egg, we eat with the sauce. And how do we eat? For example, open, take the little chili, put inside. This is yummy. So you're going to taste? Okay. You want to taste? Or you taste inside the house? You taste after? Okay. Our beans, vegetables, our fish sauce, we eat with the rice. And we have to chill with tampico. Okay, thank you all so much for watching and hope you tune again for more other videos. Thank you. Tell me, you have anything you have learned about today?
I'm really excited to eat. So hungry.
Very good. How about you?
I'm hungry too.
To cook
Yeah.
and taste today, right? Okay, so now it's time to tinta.